morning. Hello. Welcome back to another video. I already got ready for the day. I'm gonna make breakfast because I'm hungry and I haven't eaten anything. But as you can tell by the title, today's video is a full day of eating. You guys asked this when I did a poll on my Instagram what you guys wanted to see. This is like my most requested video. Basically gonna be showing realistically what I eat in a day, and also to kind of give you guys some meal ideas. I'm gonna be completely honest, I haven't been super consistent with my bulk lately. My mental health has not been the best. I feel like some days I don't eat enough, some days I eat a lot. So not only am I making this video to give you guys some meal ideas, kind of show you what I eat realistically, also using this as a way to motivate me to get back to being consistent. I also just want to clarify that just because you eat the same as someone does not necessarily mean that you will look exactly like them. I don't ever want to portray that or make you guys think that, because realistically everyone's genetics are different. So I'm just posting this video just to kind of give meal ideas. So I am not a nutritionist, I'm not a dietitian. I just wanted to put that out there. Like, there are some clickbaity stuff, especially on TikTok, people who aren't qualified to sell meal plans, selling meal plans, and just kind of like, oh, eat like me, you'll look like me, when realistically genetics play a huge role. So even if you eat the same as your favorite influencer, does not necessarily mean that your body is going to look exactly the same. The meals I'm gonna make, they're high protein and they're quick and easy to make, which is, you guys know, my favorite thing. So we're gonna start with breakfast. But yeah, I found something really cool at Costco that's y'all are gonna like. Look at these. These are like egg bites. So I really like the Starbucks ones, but I end up paying $4 every time. So you can get these at Costco. It's 5 servings. They're uncured bacon and 3 cheese egg bites. So very similar to the Starbucks ones. And they literally have 18 grams of protein per serving. Are you kidding me? So it comes in like a little pack of 2. Super easy. I'm also gonna make grits and sausage links. Excuse me. So like I said, quick and easy. I absolutely love these. 8 grams of protein for 3. So I'm gonna have this. These are 18, and then grits. Do these 2? Yeah, not much protein, but I love grits with salt. Oh my gosh, one of my faves since I was little. It's microwaving. Like I was saying, genetics play a huge role. Like, I will be the first to say that sometimes I don't eat very clean. I don't restrict myself, as you guys know if you've watched any of my other full day of eating. I also don't count calories. I used to, but it just became a very, honestly, I'm just trying to live a life. I feel like yes, if you're trying to make goals, it is good to count your calories. That way you know if you're in a surplus, if you're in a deficit. But like right now, I'm just trying to mentally feel okay. So like tracking has just not been something I have wanted to do. I'm slowly starting to feel better, so I'm trying to get back on track, definitely for like in a surplus, because lately it's just been one day I am in a surplus, the next I barely ate anything. Like the last thing I've been wanting to think about is, am I getting enough calories? Am I getting enough protein? Like, I mentally just can't do that. So I'm hoping that this video will help motivate me to get back on track. I also want to say, you know, if you don't hit your protein goal, if you maybe went over your calories for the day or was under, it's okay. It's okay. Live your life. Don't forget to live your life. You know, if you're out having fun and enjoying yourself, maybe ate too much dessert, that is okay. You know, it's all about balance, and don't let the whole fitness thing completely deprive you from living your life, you know? Oh crap, I forgot my grits are cooking. Okay, I'm gonna eat this. Honestly, this probably is not gonna keep me full very long, so I'll probably have a snack very shortly after. I probably could have done 2 packets instead, and maybe a few more sausages. Told you I'd be hungry. I'm gonna have a protein bar. Got 20 grams of protein. It's the chocolate peanut butter my protein bar. These are one of my faves. You guys already know that. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then I'm probably gonna get ready. I think I'm gonna work out just at my apartment gym because I don't feel like leaving the house. It's literally like a candy bar. And it has that crunchy Rice Krispie type stuff. Okay guys, so I'm about to head to the gym. I'm just going to my apartment gym. I'm just doing the Stairmaster and probably some abs. May or may not film that, I don't know. But before I go, I'm gonna drink a Celsius. It's only 10 calories. I like to drink these before my workout because I feel like it just gives me the energy I need, especially because I don't like doing cardio. I don't want to go, but I need to. I need to be active. This is the sparkling orange flavor. It's actually really good. I was surprised. Normally I'm not an orange flavor gal. This one is one of my new faves for sure. It's only at 10 calories. You can get these at 7-Eleven, Target, gas station, pretty much anywhere. You can also order cases online. Down below I will have it linked, so definitely check that out. Also, let me know your favorite Celsius flavor. But I'm gonna drink this, work out, and then we're gonna come back and make lunch. Just got back from the gym. I am starving. All I've had was breakfast and then a protein bar. So we need to fix that. I have one croissant left. So I think I'm gonna have a chicken salad sandwich on a croissant. It's so good, one of my faves. And then I'm probably gonna have like chips, but the only chips I have are the My Protein chips. So I'm gonna eat those. But that's 14 grams of protein. This is gonna be, well, this is 13, the canned chicken. Before I make lunch, I'm gonna have a protein shake. So I drink 2 protein shakes a day. I like to use the My Protein Clear Whey Isolate early, like after my workouts or earlier in the day, because the flavors are more like a Mike and Ike Caribbean Punch or lemonade. I don't want to be drinking that stuff at night, so I drink it during the day. And at nighttime, you'll see later, I'm gonna make my heavier one that I blend up and it's like chocolatey and creamy. I don't like to have 2 creamy ones a day. I can't do it. So yeah, I'm gonna mix this up, drink it while I make my chicken salad. Disgusting. It looks gross, but it tastes good. I'm also gonna eat these with my chicken salad just because it's 14 grams of protein and I love chips. I'm a huge chip gal and I like to eat chips. Like I can't not have a chicken salad sandwich without chips. I didn't use this half of the avocado, I'm gonna put it in my little avocado pod. How cute. Oh, I probably ought to take the pit out. Whoops. Now we put it in the fridge and save it for like toast, like egg toast. Alright, now I'm gonna add some salsa. I was gonna do corn. I don't have a can opener, so that's not happening. I was also gonna do lettuce too, but I don't have any. Taco sauce. Okay, so we're gonna make our protein shake. It's 8 o'clock. Sliced banana or frozen sliced bananas, peanut butter, granola, almond milk, and protein powder.